Manual infrastructure changes are how outages happen. One wrong click, one missed dependency, and production goes down. That's exactly why infrastructure as code has become non-negotiable for cloud teams, and Terraform sits at the center of it. The newly updated HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate certification proves you can manage infrastructure safely, from lifecycle rules to modern HCP Terraform workflows. In this session, we'll walk through real exam-style practice questions built around the latest version, so you can think like the exam and pass it on your first attempt. Let's get started.
Question: no one. You need to preview the infrastructure changes Terraform will make before applying them. Which Terraform CLI command should you use? A. Terraform apply. B. Terraform validate. C. Terraform plan. D. Terraform init.
Correct answer. C. Terraform plan. Explanation: the Terraform plan command generates an execution plan that shows what Terraform intends to create, update, or delete without making any actual changes. Exam tip: use Terraform plan to review infrastructure changes before deployment. Question: No. 2. Which file stores the current state of infrastructure managed by Terraform? A. Providers.tf. B. Terraform.tf state. C. Variables.tfd. Outputs.tf. Correct answer. B. Terraform.tf state. Explanation: Terraform stores information about managed resources in the Terraform.tf state file. This file enables Terraform to compare the current infrastructure with the desired configuration. Exam tip: understanding Terraform state is essential for the Associate 004 exam. Question 3. Which Terraform block is used to configure a cloud provider? A. Resource. B. Provider. C. Module. D. Variable. Correct answer. B. Provider. Explanation: the provider block tells Terraform which cloud platform or service it should communicate with, such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Exam tip: Terraform cannot provision cloud resources without the appropriate provider configuration. Question No. 4. Which command initializes a Terraform working directory and downloads the required providers? A. Terraform validate. B. Terraform init. C. Terraform fmt. D. Terraform destroy. Correct answer. B. Terraform init. Explanation: Terraform init prepares the working directory by downloading provider plugins, installing modules, and configuring the backend if required. Exam tip: always run Terraform init before working with a new Terraform project. Question No. 5. Which Terraform command automatically formats configuration files according to the standard style? A. Terraform plan. B. Terraform fmt. C. Terraform validate. D. Terraform graph. Correct answer. B. Terraform fmt. Explanation: the Terraform fmt command formats Terraform configuration files to improve readability and maintain a consistent coding style. Exam tip: although formatting is not required for execution, it is considered a best practice. Infrastructure as code is now the baseline skill for cloud and DevOps roles. Passing the HashiCorp Certified Terraform Associate certification proves you can manage safe lifecycle changes and handle configuration drift. Apply custom validation rules and modular design. Work with ephemeral values and write-only arguments. Organize and manage HCP Terraform workspaces and projects. Don't study with outdated material. This version tests new ground. Use CertBoosters practice questions to align with the current exam objectives. Sharpen your Terraform workflow knowledge and walk into the exam ready to pass on the first attempt. Start practicing now via the link given in the description below and prove you can build infrastructure the right way.